A is for awesome. At least that's what Samsung is saying about this year's Galaxy A series lineup. Hey guys, Kevin here. You're with the Modern Creatures and welcome to another video. The company has recently introduced a couple of new entries to its widely popular mid-range segment, but for this one, we'll be concentrating on the Galaxy A72. But before all that, have you guys subscribed to our channel yet? If you still haven't, consider doing so because we publish videos at least once a week on reviews, unboxings, and features of tech in everyday lifestyle. Okay, so as usual, we begin with design. First look, I love the soft violet color that it has. Samsung called this Awesome Violet and is among other options, namely Awesome Black, Awesome White, and Awesome Blue. Again, A is for awesome. The body is made of matte finish, so it feels good to the touch and successfully avoids fingerprints. Next thing that caught my eye is this seamlessly transitioned camera bump, making it look like one with the entire back panel. In here, we also see its quad camera setup with a built-in flash. In terms of buttons and ports, holding it normally would land your thumb on the power button, and just above it is the volume rocker. A 3.5mm audio jack is down below together with its USB-C port and speaker grill. Meanwhile, the top houses its hybrid dual SIM setup with a choice for either a second SIM or microSD for storage expansion. Favoring its display, the phone is wider on the hands, so that's something to consider for those with smaller grip. Additionally, you can somehow feel the edge of its display, especially on the corners. It's not a big deal, but personally, they kind of disrupt the smooth flow and curves that the phone is trying to show. Moving on, the body is sealed with IP67 certification that translates to dust and water resistance. With it, you may submerge the phone up to 1 meter for no longer than 30 minutes. It's actually great that they were able to bring this protective feature to a mid-range phone like this one, but unfortunately, we couldn't show you any cool underwater shots because what we have right here is not yet the final version. For its display, a large 6.7-inch screen with a 20:9 aspect ratio almost spans the entire body. It maxes out at 1080p resolution and boasts up to 800 nits of brightness that works really well even under direct sunlight. It also comes with a refresh rate of 90Hz for that smooth browsing and scrolling that's simply a joy for the eyes. This is actually the biggest upgrade the A72 received compared to its predecessor. The display also comes with really thin bezels apart from this small chin right here, and just above it is the under-display fingerprint sensor that's responsive and unlocks the phone in an instant. When it comes to browsing images or watching videos, its Super AMOLED panel delivers what it delivers best: lively and vibrant images with really deep blacks. The Full HD resolution also ensures details are sharp, but with a screen this big, I'd personally wish it packs higher resolution. Streaming videos and playing games on the A72 are also made immersive thanks to its Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. This actually made me enjoy gaming even without headphones on. And spending longer periods on the phone won't be as harmful on your eyes as it comes with Eye Comfort Shield that lowers blue light emitted by the screen. Of course, imaging is one aspect that Samsung is focusing on, especially for this model. The Galaxy A72 features a quad camera setup with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, 64-megapixel main, 8-megapixel telephoto for zooming in, and a 5-megapixel macro lens for close-ups. It's interesting to note that the main and telephoto cameras are both equipped with OIS, or optical image stabilization, for smoother and steadier shots. The telephoto lens is also available to zoom up to 3 times optically and preserves more details, and 30 times digitally at the expense of losing clarity. This, in addition to its Pro Video mode, are features previously seen on flagship phones. So it's really nice seeing these useful features in a mid-range phone just like this one. Up front, a 32-megapixel camera takes your selfies and even offers a wide-angle option for group shots. It also comes with Snapchat preset filters to add more fun effects to your photos. With the cameras working together, they captured a wide variety of shot sizes that were reproduced with good dynamic range and clarity. Colors in broad daylight proved vibrant with great quality even if you zoom in on details. Its Scene Optimizer feature also helps distinguish your current shot and adjust settings accordingly. We found this feature really helpful outdoors to bring out more detail in darker areas. Here are more samples. Under the hood is a Snapdragon 720G CPU partnered with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. Now if you have the Galaxy A71 with you, the processor of the Galaxy A72 isn't that much of an upgrade, so performance should be pretty close. Nevertheless, it was able to run smoothly in day-to-day usage with no inconvenient lags. Gaming is definitely possible, and with its game booster feature, the phone was able to easily run titles like Mobile Legends, Asphalt 9, and even Genshin Impact at modest settings. That on top of its immersive display and adequately loud stereo speakers, the Galaxy A72 was able to deliver a smooth and fun experience during times that you just want to sit back and either play games or watch videos. Although more than just entertainment, the company is also proud of its Samsung Knox that offers multi-layered security for your passwords, data, and more. Carrying a 5000 mAh battery, Samsung claims the phone can last up to 2 days on regular usage thanks to its AI-powered algorithm that detects your usage habits and adjusts accordingly to extend battery life. With her time with it that involved lots of video streaming and gaming, it was able to last for almost a day and a half. Still not bad for its battery size. And with our standard battery test of streaming a high-resolution video with 50% brightness and no volume, the Galaxy A72 was able to last a little over 13 hours. Definitely at the just right area of battery life spectrum. To top it back up, its fast charging support should help fill it up quicker. Do take note that it supports up to 25 watt fast charging, but the included wall charger is only at 15 watts, so you still have to buy a separate one if you want to fully take advantage of its fast charging. With smooth refresh rates, you can enjoy browsing and gaming better, and its Pro Video mode gives you additional control over your cameras while shooting. With a price tag of 23,990 pesos, the Samsung Galaxy A72 comes with bells and whistles that only a few years back were your flagship's key features. It might not have received the best update in terms of processor, but it works great for casual usage and decent enough for mobile gaming. And that was our Samsung Galaxy A72 review. As always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.